Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 16th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on gold, I mean, I'm sure you've seen my videos, but I definitely think this is a 1, 2, 3. As I've been saying, wave 3s can extend way further than you may think. There's really no reason to say this wave 3 might not just keep on extending to one of these much higher fib levels. Eventually, it's going to have to make a big pullback for a wave 4 and a wave 5, but I will be able to tell when the wave 3 is over, and it is definitely not over yet. Going down to the weekly time frame. Now on the weekly, this is where I can see the 1 and a 2. And there is 5 waves here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and this could be the wave 5. Normally when I see a wave 5 stretched out like that, I actually would expect to see a wave 4 and a wave 5 again, like a wave 6 and a wave 7, because wave 5s are normally much smaller than wave 3s. But like I was explaining on the monthly time frame, I mean, this could just be a subdivision of a much, much larger trend, and it could just potentially just keep on going. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we had a perfect 1, 2, 3 pullback. I've actually went long on this thing days ago, right around the 16, 18 area or whatever it was. And I am definitely expecting it to continue up. I mean, to me, it does look like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and potentially up to a Fibonacci extension level around the 2700 for the wave 5. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, where I went long was way back here on the breaker structure because this was such a beautiful 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down A, 1, 2, 3 up B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down C. There was a nice Fibonacci bounce, a nice engulfing move to the upside, and I went long last week way down here. So I'm still long. Still not seeing any reason to exit. I have my Fibonacci flat set up. This is a flat Fibonacci, which has, these extensions. So let's kind of show this a little bit. So the 123, 138 is definitely an area to watch out for, which is right around the $2,700 area. I think it's likely to end up looking something like this for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's keep all this in mind. Let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I've been long since around the 1618, 1616 area, way down here. And what a beautiful trade. And then it gave us another beautiful opportunity to get long right here. 1, 2, 3 waves down, go long. And then right here, 1, 2, 3 waves down, go long. This is likely a wave 1 and a wave 2. We are likely in a wave 3 right now. So if it is a wave 3, it could definitely go down a little bit. But I bet it will make a higher low, and just keep on trending up. I would definitely be really highly focused on doing nothing but looking for logs at the end of every single pullback I see. The trend is your friend, and you will be way more consistently profitable if you trade with the higher time frame moves. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.